We discussed about 2.76 levels for natural gas. That is the only level above which we can expect a rise in net gas. It failed to do so. At the same time, so far it is yet not breached 2.7 levels. At the same time, US crude has stayed bearish. We had asked that below 85.2 levels, 84.8 and 84.6 are two major support. Precisely, it has gone and achieved 84.6. Now, what to expect with the US session? Which position you should take trading crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you appreciate my effort, if you think that I am adding some value to your trading, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. The first update was released before the Asia and Europe session. So do press the bell icon for getting live updates, or else join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the end. Now see crude here, you can find out bearish candle, retracement, first red candle, and now second candle might appear. Now we all know that here 84.6 and 84.3. This is going to be a very strong support zone, because below that we may see oil hitting 83.5 level. Now what has happened so far, it is traded outside Bollinger Bands, got the support from 84.6 and has recovered a bit. However, it is still bearish. Now see my favorite levels at 85.6. So much of resistance is given at 84.6. With that at the resistance, now it is trying to trade bearish, and it can continue to trade bearish for a little while. RSI at bottom, MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish. RSI almost flat. If you look at 2-hour chart, now on the 2-hour charts, moving average, see, first of all, 20 period moving average, good resistance. Also, it traded outside Bollinger Bands and has got a pullback. Also, see the bearishness getting diminished here. So now this zone is where you should remain cautious alert. 85.2 is the only level to buy, but then also 85.4, 85.6, only above 85.6, it is safer for you to stay long. Else it can recover, it can drop again any point of time. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Looking at 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour chart, see one bearish candle, then an indecision. What will happen? It will try to achieve lower highs here, which suggests that possibly we might see it heading towards 85.15 levels at best. And from there, a possible sharp drop may appear, which suggests that it can show similar size of candle, which is almost shaded 60-70 cents. And if this drop, or if oil sees a drop from here, 60-70 cents means it can try to achieve 84.3, $84 levels some point of time. Hence, you have to watch out more closely. A stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence bearishness. It can continue to drop from here. There is a very strong probability. See, this crossover is taken at a higher place. We may see it continuing here. RSI has come out of the overbought zones. Coming to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, see, consolidation breakout, first red candle, second red candle must or might appear. That is what I can expect. So 84.4, 84.5 level, 3 levels should get achieved. In fact, it can try to achieve further lows at around 70 or 83.9 and 83.5 levels if it continues to stay bearish from here. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Now coming to the daily chart. Remember, on the daily charts, lower highs, lower lows, just let it stay below 84.5 levels and you can expect that we might see similar or further sharper red candle, which can in fact take it till towards 83.5, 82.8 and in fact $82 levels. Yes, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, hence we can see the prices converging till towards the moving average. So you should be cautious with the buying entry. A confirmed bullish candle or confirmed bullishness is only if you see oil is staying above 85.6 levels. A stochastic overbought, this calls for a drop here. MACD is in green, it can probably converge. RSI is near to overbought zone. Looking at, I will recommend you to buy here at 85.6 levels. Those who want to take a safe entry, those who want to just scrap or just take almost 20 pips or so, you can buy here at 80. See, I will rather wait. I will rather ask you to wait for 25.6 because beyond this the risk reward ratio is not good enough for you to enter, and hence wait for 85.6 to break and you can enter. On the downside, you can sell here at 84.6 levels, below which one can definitely expect that 84.3 first target, 83.9 second target, and then 83.6 can also be achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings. That is, first, my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September or 11th of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And else you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas. Now, natural gas on the hourly chart, see, moving average is trading with divergence and bearishness, 2.76 level, definitely a great resistance, we all know that fact. And then 2.8. So these two levels have become a critical milestones for net gas to break past by. With failing to break past by these levels, it is trying to stay bearish. Now the next support is somewhere here at around 2.7, 2.68 levels. The stochastic at bottom, MACD is also at bottom, and RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you will find same observation, crossover here, bearishness here, lower highs, lower lows, 2.7, first support level, below which you can expect. Now see, you have to note that this is the zone where net gas is going to get maximum support at around 2.7, 2.66. Hence, you have to be cautious of that. Stochastic at bottom, MACD extremely bearish, and it is also seen a bottom there. RSI also is staying bearish. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, increasing bearishness, trying to trade in this bearish channel. In fact, you can buy 2.74. Wait for 2.76 to be breached in order to confirm the rise. The stochastic looking down, MACD trading bearish, RSI is also looking down, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation, I am not going to repeat it here. Now it is trading below the 20-50 100 period moving average. Only thing is that the 20-50 period moving average has not yet crossed over. The stochastic oversold, MACD divergent, bearish, RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, now it is staying below 20 period, now looking forward to 50 and 100 period. 50 and 100 period moving average 2.69 and then 2.68. These are two great support, and then 2.66 is the ultimate support. I do not see it breaking below these levels, but these are markets, we have to remain cautious. Thus, I recommend you to sell at 2.7 levels, expect 2.68, 2.66 as the great support and the next targets. And on the downside also, we have to remain very cautious because see, it has already seen a drop. There are great supports on the downside, so possibly it should not try to breach those levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge, and RSI is also trying to trade with a bearish bias. Thus, for the day, only buying entry is about 2.76. About 2.76 is where the bullishness will continue, and we may see prices rising towards 2.78, 2.8 levels. 2.8 is the next milestone. On the downside, sell at 2.7. However, very strong support is seen at around 2.68, 2.66 levels. So do trade with caution at current levels. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia session update very early in the day. Do watch that also. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.